continue talking about speech writing. And at this point, we are introducing chapter 4, and that is the art of argument. The main objective is to write arguments to support claims with clear reasons and relevant evidence. There are 3 reasons to make our speech credible and more effective. Number 1, the audience wants to act as arbiter. Number 2, polarized perspectives. For example, traditionalism versus modernism, progressive versus conservative, left versus right. Here we have comparison and contrast. And then we have, though through just we are instantly suspicious of anyone who pounds, preaches, and polemicizes, that who create conflict. Here we have the 3 Aristotle's golden triangles. In this corner, we have the eros. This one has to do with credibility and trust. Okay, that's you, the orator. And the main techniques to use this one says personal branding, how you will sell yourself to the audience, size and credible sources that you will introduce. And here on top, we have the logic. This one has to do with reasons and proof. The main techniques will include the structure of your speech. That is the opening, the body, and conclusion. The references to studies, for example, statistics, case studies, comparison, analogies, and metaphors. And on the right corner, we have pathos. Here we have all the emotions and the values. The techniques we can use main stories, inspirational quotes, and vivid language. Here we have the first one, eros. This one appeals from the character. The audience decides with whom they agree based on whom they believe. So you have to create that credibility. That's eros. Also, establishing our speaker. Here we have different techniques. For example, analogy. This is the comparison between 2 things. In order to clarify ideas, you have to create authority in front of the audience. You can use metaphors, different types of metaphors. Take a look. You have to be very careful with the appearance. Okay? Experience and assertion, also knowledge. Establishing heroes through association, connecting our speaker with someone we know, the audience will admire the most by selecting appropriate quotes, references, anecdotes, or stories. It's pathos, that's the second element, emotional appeals, the different emotions. For example, hope, fear, anger, enthusiasm, empathy. So you can use, and you have to be very careful choosing the best feelings to the audience. Logos, and this one has to do the logical appeals, your brain, what is happening all around you. And this one will include the 2 hard skills versus soft skills. And between the hard skills, we include education, training, job knowledge. And this one has to do what you do. And in between the soft skills, we include communication, emotional intelligence, and interacting with others. This one, it has to do how you do it. Just summarizing chapter 4, the art of argument. A good speech should not sound like a monologue, but a dialogue, mimicking the sound of 2 people in discussion. Thank you for your attention.